Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's start off our discussion with the next subsection, which is about osmoregulation. Let's have a look at the big picture. In this section, first of all, we'll talk about the introduction to osmoregulation. Secondly, we'll discuss osmoregulation in plants, and towards the end of our discussion with this subsection, we'll discuss osmoregulation in animals. So let's start off with the introduction to the osmoregulation. And in the very beginning of my discussion, I would like to ask few questions from you just to test your understanding about the stuff. So please try to stay interactive with me and try to answer these questions side by side. If you get these questions wrong, don't get worried. I'll be generating all the concepts over here which would enable you to answer these sort of questions later on in the course of time. So first statement I've got is a cell is placed in a solution and it swells. What is the nature of that solution? A option is isotonic to the cell, B option is hypertonic to the cell, and C option is hypotonic to cell, D option is none of these, and the best response to this question is hypotonic to cell. अगर एक सेल को आपने एक solution में place किया है और वो सेल swell कर जाता है तो वो जो solution होगा जिसमें आपने सेल को place किया है that would be hypotonic. इसकी रीजनिंग को आगे चल के हम डिस्कस करते हैं. Another question. Plasmolysis of human red blood cells would occur if the cells were in an isotonic solution, in a hypertonic solution, C option is in a hypotonic solution, and D option is none of the above, and the best response to this question is in a hypotonic